I recently bought these table lamps because I broke my last ones, but I thought it'd be helpful to kind of go through and show you the setup. So I've already set up that first one. They were packaged really nicely. So what they did was use the shade as the protector to the ceramic base. And then what you'll do at first is just push the cord right down in there and then screw that piece on. And then once it's screwed on tight where you can't screw anymore, you will then look for the little black circle piece. When you're putting on the little black circle, you're going to put it where the thinner part is at the top and then the thicker part is at the bottom, and then just screw that on. Then you're going to grab that particular base for the shade, and then of course go ahead and take the shade out of the package. On the inside of the linen shade, you're going to see these little grooves, and all you do is just put the wire on the little grooves. So I'm taking the other circle wire piece and just going to very easily place them in all the grooves. Then you will just be able to seal there's a little strip where you can seal the two little end pieces together. Now you're going to set the lamp on the base and do the same thing. Just pop it in the little pieces, the other piece of wire in there, and they just very, very easily fit right in. Finally, screw in your light bulb. This is what the ceramic lamps look like all set up. I really, really love them. The box came and they looked so small at first, and they're absolutely perfect. Once they're all set up together, this is exactly what we are looking for. I love the linen color. I think the ceramic base is really pretty. I love how these lamps did not break the bank. Definitely a great option if you're looking for some.